Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to IRS Schedule D for dividend and capital gain reporting, full guide step by step clearly. Identify the relevant tax forms you need, including Form 1040 and Schedule D. Visit the official IRS website to access the appropriate forms. Locate Schedule D, the capital gains and losses form. Download or print Schedule D for your records. Next, review the instructions accompanying Schedule D to understand its requirements. Determine if you meet the criteria for reporting capital gains and losses. Compile your investment records, including dividend payments and sale transactions. Calculate your total capital gains and losses using your records. If you have a net gain, be prepared to pay taxes on this amount. Transfer your capital gain and loss information to Schedule D. Ensure you include any dividend income on the relevant lines of Schedule D. If necessary, complete additional forms, such as Form 8949 for detailed reporting. Double-check your calculations and entries for accuracy. Once completed, sign and date Schedule D. Include Schedule D with your tax return, along with any additional forms. Submit your tax return to the IRS by the designated deadline. Monitor the status of your submission through the IRS website if available. Keep copies of all filed documents for your records. Consider consulting a tax professional if you have complex investments or questions. Follow these steps carefully for a successful reporting of dividends and capital gains. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.